Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Monsoon has finally arrived in Delhi and it's a perfect weather to have pakoras. So in our today's video, we'll be making very interesting and healthy non-fried pakoras using oats. These pakoras are really delicious and I'm sure you will love it. So let's see what all ingredients do we need for it. I'm sure you are liking our videos. Please do like our video, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you have not subscribed till now. Click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes.
To begin with, we'll take 1 cup of oats in a bowl, into which we'll add approximately 1/4 to 1 cup of water. We need to soak oats in water so that oats soften up and we do not get that raw taste of oats. So we'll just keep it for some time. After a few minutes, you will see that oats will become soft. Into this oats material, then we'll add 1 cup of gram flour or besan, and then we'll add chopped fresh coriander. Here goes few green chilies, and then we'll add chopped onions. After that, we'll add salt as per our taste, little red chili powder, and here goes 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Then we'll add water and we need to prepare our batter for pakoras. Like any other pakora batter, we'll keep just the same consistency, neither too thick nor too thin. We'll mix it very well. If we need more water, then we'll add it, and we have to adjust the consistency accordingly. Here is my oats pakora batter ready. Now you have an option of deep frying your pakoras, but we'll be making healthy pakoras in my ape pan. So we'll heat an ape pan. Once heated, then we'll add very little mustard oil in each of the ape pan sections. Add 1 spoonful of oats pakora batter in each of the ape pan section. In this batter, you can add any other vegetable of your choice, be it capsicum, tomatoes, baby corns, any other veggies of your choice. And then we'll allow it to cook for some time on medium to high flame. Drizzle little more oil on top of it. Once oats pakoras are cooked from one end, then we'll flip it over to cook the other end as well. In total, these pakoras will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. It will be very easy for you to flip over these pakoras. You can use a wooden stick like this or a spoon. Now let's wait for our pakoras to get ready. And here you can see my very healthy, fibrous oats pakoras are ready to serve. Aren't these looking too cute? These are healthy pakoras, non-fried. You can serve these with tomato ketchup or green chutney, coconut chutney, any other dip of your choice. Prepare these pakoras as an evening snack, or even you can pack it for your picnics. So these pakoras are healthy, simple to make, and takes no time to prepare.
I'm sure you want to try out this oats pakora recipe right away. Do give it a try. Share your views with us by writing to us in the comment section below. If you want to see more such interesting recipes, then click on the links which are flashing on the screen. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.